I got a sack, big bags on the back, spin cash, you the back, sit in the trap, sign a deal for no packs. I ain't signed up for no rights, bitch, I need M's. I ain't taking one of them. What you think I'm one of them? All I do is win. Took a loss with a friend, he really didn't hold his end. No more again. Now I'm a call, big bags on the.
Here we go again, episode number 9. And I mean, we going again. We always go. We finna go to 10. Next time y'all motherfucking see us, we gonna be on 100. Watch what I tell you. Episode 100. We going anniversary. Then we might be in Paris, bitch. But it's your host, Z, Zoo, everything with a Z probably pertaining to me, bitch, and I own it. You know what I mean? So, and we got my co-host,
OT. Y'all find me on Instagram at OT So Dope. On Facebook at OT that whatever that shit is, overtime. And goddamn shit, man. Y'all go view that Block Hot on all platforms, man. Y'all run them numbers up. We almost at 200K, man. Let's get us there.
all gas, no brakes. Okay, this what we doing. Shout out to JT the Bigger Figure for that slogan there. And we got, you know what I mean, who we got on the goddamn show today? We got a mix of, you know what I mean, flavors, goddamn. So who we got right here? Who my man right here?
Shit, everybody know me. That's all I gotta say.
No said. They know they got you. Who we got over there? We done had him. So
welcome back.
Yes, sir. You boy Johnny by nature and this motherfucker kicking mad ism, you know.
Yeah, man.
Already. And who we got in the cook? Alright, goddamn right.
We ain't got no motherfucking body else.
For sure that.
Ghost of the cat.
For sure that. Yeah, but shit, we just politicking, man. We talking about little whatever come up type shit. We got no real topic today.
Facts. Cool. About to say this down there my second time on this motherfucker.
Yeah. For sure.
How you like the energy being on the show type shit?
Oh, that shit straight though, I can't lie. When you got the right vibes and everybody talking about the same shit, yeah.
Yeah, that shit decent.
You get to see goddamn a lot of different perspectives on shit. A lot of different mindsets.
I ain't gonna hold you, bro. One of my favorite things about doing that shit though, bro, is the debate. I love the debate, bro. I love the debate. I love it because I wanna see how the fuck you got to where you at. And shit, get me there, nigga. And if you can't, nigga, I'm gonna get your ass over here.
I'm telling you.
Come on. Yeah, man, I love the debate, man.
So y'all don't like the small talk?
Yeah. But that's what leads to the debate.
What we talking about?
Small talk, lead the shit.
See, and look at this, check this. This gonna lead to something. I ain't the nigga to small talk. Only time I talk is just trying to build a network.
Facts.
You know what I mean? I ain't the nigga to just, hey, how you doing? I speak. The small talking, it ain't me.
Yeah, for sure.
But y'all say that leads your network.
It do.
See?
Yeah.
Somebody missed out on a couple opportunities.
Absolutely.
Facts.
Absolutely.
Just because some motherfuckers like to talk to you personally before they even start talking about other shit.
Mm-hmm.
Like just bullshit, which you just
Then
look out. You
they
feel
like,
me?
he don't even want to talk about this.
Facts. So that's the
Definitely
only
can't talk
reason.
about that.
Yeah, you feel me? Like that's the only reason why he around me. So we gotta talk about.
Yeah.
You just gotta kick shit.
Mm-hmm.
Nah, yeah, facts for sure.
Makes sense.
But I mean, it's still there's a truth to that though, bro. Because everybody play a certain role in your life, bro. Not everybody in your life to be your everyday partner.
No.
Facts.
Feel me?
No.
Facts.
Your everyday partners in your life to be your everyday partner. You feel me? Your other partners in your life to be your partners from a distance. You know what I'm saying? Y'all partners over. You know what I mean?
Or really like partners. Everybody don't realize that motherfuckers got different friends for different things.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that's really damn near what it is.
Facts.
Yeah. Yeah, well, you boots, yeah.
That's a
Yeah,
fact.
you hit that on the head, boy.
Because the same motherfuckers you cool with, you know what I'm saying, your teenage years, you know, grow up, the motherfuckers, like, different motherfucking patterns. So,
Facts.
like,
But it's always the same love every time y'all go around each other.
must say, oh yeah, of course.
It's just that y'all relationship way different. You got a different relationship with everybody. You got a different bond with everybody. So
Facts.
you can't. A lot of times it's hard to intertwine that shit because that's when shit starts.
Yeah. Certain people don't fuck with certain people the same way you fuck with certain
I
people.
feel like though, if you move off energy though, the relationship really don't even matter because you, like how you said, you couldn't talk to a nigga for 5 years, but y'all link back together. It just be like y'all never met, like y'all never left type shit. You feel me? It's like it's different levels of that friendship shit. That's why I got brothers. That friendship out the one. I got business partners and brothers. I ain't got time for a friend. I got too many kids.
You feel me?
You know what I mean? On me.
I got a lot of friends right at home.
Yeah, word.
Yeah.
But I understand you though. I should open my
when you in that setting though, not in your everyday life, but in that setting.
I don't. In that setting, you see me? You see me?
You put yourself in that setting, man. Pull that camera out, pull that combo out. Yeah, that's all that matters. Motherfucker be surprised that they look at the motherfucker like, hell no, I never fuck with this nigga. Then you fuck around and open your mouth one time, they be like, boy, I should have fucked with this nigga 4 years ago.
I'm telling you. Facts. Come on, man.
And it really be open your mouth at the right time.
Yeah, for sure. They be like, damn. Yeah, so your small talk, it lead to network. It lead to the bigger debates, the bigger conversations, and the bigger things. Hell, I ain't gonna lie though. Small talk also lead to causing motherfuckers that you thought never fall out. Because it lead to debates that motherfuckers so passionate about, they can't fuck with the other motherfucker, you feel me? Yeah. Ain't no way you feel this way and ain't nah. But that small talk show a lot of shit, you feel me? Yeah.
Right.
So it's a good thing to have small talk with a motherfucker you don't know, because they gonna start showing you what they really about before you get knowing them, you feel me? Yeah. I'm glad, man, the motherfuckers I be around, the motherfuckers I still fuck with, as you know. I was 16, 14, 17 when I met these motherfuckers, so we done had all them small talks, man. You feel me?
Yeah.
We got these small talks in the cell, dude.
You know what I'm saying? But yeah, small talk is lovely, bro. Small talk is lovely, bro, because it leads to the part I love, the debate. Nah, bro, you wrong. Nah, this is why. Cool. Show me why I'm wrong, man. And a lot of motherfuckers can pull a receipt on nothing when you going at their ass, bro. No matter the debate, no matter what it is, bro.
The responses be impulsive, like be impulsive. Like you don't got no time to think about it. You don't got no time to think. They be like,
ain't never do the research on motherfucking on Queen Elizabeth, but talking all this shit. As soon as you say, man, show me that. Google it, bro. You'll find it on Google. Show me what you know.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie. I'm one of them motherfuckers.
I'll tell you, Google it only if I know where I found it on Google.
See, and
I'm not gonna tell you Google it just because I know it's good go to.
Yeah, see, I don't do it like that. Most shit, goddamn, I be like, I don't be knowing, but I be knowing. I tell you, I don't know. And
that's not what I'm talking about.
And what I don't
we talking about the people who sitting there trying to and when you try to put on them facts, they Google it. Tell me your fact, nigga.
Check it out. It be the same shit, but the same shit though. I say Google it, then it be something similar to the fact. It just be the answers to give me a little knowledge that I had no knowledge of going to see.
Yeah.
You feel me? So I know it be some different type of shit. You feel me? If I know this shit without any motherfucker telling me, then the PhD motherfucker saying the shit that's similar, bitch, I gotta be on something.
Yeah,
I gotta be on something. You know what I mean?
But there's a difference there. Yours when a motherfucker tell you to pull a fact, bro, you can pull a fact even if it's far fetched, bro. Most of these motherfuckers we talking about, bro, they can't pull shit. The only thing they pull is Google. Hold on. Google said, bitch, when did you find it? Just now. Then you didn't know. Nigga. God damn. You feel me? That's them people I'm talking about. You ain't got no basis to the shit you arguing with me about.
Just Google.
Not you know what I'm saying? In the situation. Like, damn, nigga, what the fuck?
Y'all niggas speak facts, nigga. If you ain't read the shit in a book.
You feel me?
Like,
in a book.
In a book or motherfucking
a
documented conversation.
Yeah, you can see shit on Instagram or got a documentary. YouTube.
Facebook is not it.
I like, bro, you can learn shit.
No.
They got fact checkers on Facebook just to let you know.
Hey, you posting the wrong shit.
You about to
right. You're wrong.
And that's not right.
Look, tell me a fact on TikTok.
Word.
New school for black people is TikTok.
I'm telling you,
What?
but and them old folks is real live on TikTok like a motherfucker. They be real live knowing everything that we know, and they should be throwing me. They be knowing all the trends and shit. I'm like, what the fuck you know about Percocet?
You know that.
I'm telling you, bro, they be knowing all this shit.
You know what they done figured out? The brainwash people because our attention span is so short to put it in the short or real form. So you put it in the short or real form.
Shorter and
shorter. Bro, motherfucker tune into that bitch because they don't want to miss something. Oh,
that's why you don't supposed to let your that's why you don't supposed to let your kids watch Coco Melon because the episode's so short that their attention span is gonna match the episode.
Short.
Why my little motherfucker?
You know why TikTok was made, right?
Because that shit ain't even them episodes ain't no longer than 5 minutes.
Exactly, yup.
You know why TikTok was made? TikTok was made for mental illness. It was really meant for mental illness patients.
Yeah,
Like, you can look this shit up, bro. Like, the creator of TikTok made this shit for mentally ill people. I'm like, and that was really meant for some mental health shit.
In the whole world.
Yeah, and the whole world jumped on it. So just like,
what does that tell you?
Yeah, what does that tell you, bro? It's like
special.
the whole world is goddamn got ADHD. The whole world got anxiety. The whole world got all this shit.
You know what I think from my simple analysis that quick? I think the whole world just want attention, bro.
Attention.
Like the nigga who got the most attention, they think he the most nigga. He like he the upright nigga.
Oh, yeah.
It ain't even it though. It's the nigga that you don't even see who the upright nigga. The nigga that attention just the poster child. You feel me?
Tell you.
That's how I really look at this shit. Everybody want to be the top nigga. I don't want to be the top nigga. If I can tell the top nigga the goddamn change his opinion, I'm cool. You feel me?
Cause that make me the real top nigga.
What?
Yeah, I don't want to look like the top nigga, but I want to be him.
As long as I got influence,
That's
I'm
really how I
good.
feel.
Man.
I want to be the one, exactly. I
That
want to be the one
influence
influencing the
motherfucker.
motherfucker you looking at. So really, at the
Ain't
end
no
of the day,
big
I'm.
eyes and little U's, nigga. We all
Yeah.
goddamn same shit. We moving together, nigga. If not, nigga, get off the goddamn team, nigga. Word.
Yeah, but you'll be got a very surprised.
Get
A
on.
lot of motherfuckers got
Go on
a
now.
cut,
Get.
goddamn. You gotta keep that shit 10 toes down, man.
10 toes down.
It's easy though.
Mhm.
It's just the obstacles that come while you trying to get to success. It's real easy. You just gotta stay down, man. It's easy.
And the thing about that staying down, bro, that staying down can mean we got to stay down for 2 years, 3 years, 5 years. Bro, that staying down process is a motherfucker.
You
Because
might
some motherfuckers don't hit their peak
5.
until they like later on in they like 20s. Like just being real and statistically speaking, like motherfuckers don't hit their financial peak until they late 20s.
Do you know
So-
about brain development? I don't mean to cut you
Yeah, I was
off.
about to say, really, most men don't mature until their late 20s.
Yeah, so just like all that shit, bro, you supposed to, you gonna fuck up in life.
If
You
it's,
gonna
it's
fuck up.
called cerebral cortex. It's a little thing in your brain. It don't open up until you 25 to 30 in the average black male. So you don't get your rational or logical thinking until then. Like for real, bro. Like niggas can't think with reason and logic until they get 25 to 30, nigga. And we out here being grown men at 13. What the fuck, nigga? We finna go to jail, nigga. Then we go to jail. We trained to go to jail. That's how we is. Then by the time we wake up and boy like, boy, look at my life, nigga. We 30 years old, nigga ain't got nothing but 2 pounds. What? Nigga, we did that at 16, nigga.
Don't been to jail 5 times.
What? And you can't get nothing, nigga. Like for real, credit and shit like this is important, my nigga.
Trust me, I'm already knowing.
Niggas throwing their life away for pennies. And we can get them same niggas that's grinding and all that shit and make them niggas go to war for us, nigga. They dying already, die for something. Pussy. That's how I
For
feel.
some.
That's why I be
I'm
fucking
about to
with
say, you
Charles
stand
White.
on it. I'm about to say,
Yeah,
stand
that's
on it.
that's why I be fucking with Charles and White, cause he stand on his business.
So he be saying some shit.
Man, he say
He
that
be
nigga
saying
ain't
some
lied
shit. He be
yet.
saying
That's
some
why
shit.
they can't kill him, cause he haven't lied yet. Once he lied, they will kill him. Period. Or sue him. Slander, defamation of character. This shit is real, bro. This shit
We've
real
heard none of
shit.
that shit pop up.
Real shit, bro.
But
Yeah, all the shit he said ain't nobody sued him, bro. That mean he been telling the truth. Period. You can sue a motherfucker for saying the wrong thing about you and putting it out there,
oh,
bro.
yeah,
Defamation
yeah.
of character or slander, bro.
I was like, yeah, we all know about that.
Then they gotta find out how you found that actual proof out. Then it comes to invasion of privacy. You feel what I'm saying?
There's levels to this
You
shit.
feel what I'm saying?
Like,
Shit get
there's
real
levels.
legal, logistical, real legal. It get real legal because it's
Real
real
quick.
life, nigga.
I'm telling you. Oh, trust me.
Nigga play with the wrong thing. Play. That's why they ain't playing with Charles. And niggas know he on this shit, nigga.
It's like a motherfucker.
That nigga's a genius,
Does
to
he
me.
copyright every single thing he do too?
Nigga, when I get old, that's what I'm trying to be. I don't give a fuck.
What?
I wanna be like
Shit,
you
we
when I
only
grow
got
up.
one life to live, bro.
I get
And
a
this is our
1,000 niggas.
experience, my nigga.
I get 1,000 niggas riding me, bro. I'm dying for niggas. And I don't even fuck with niggas. Just for my people and my kids, my nigga.
I be telling him he need at least 10,000, bro. I be telling him 1,000 people
But you
ain't
gotta
enough.
think,
I'd rather have
in the
100.
ancients though, with the voodoo and shit, with
You
the
need to
Haitians
have, you need
and
that,
shit,
bro.
the
I'm not that
Haitians did it
trusted.
with less, bro. It's
But I'm talking about
your
going out to
spirit, bro.
real war.
That's what I'm saying, bro. They
Yeah,
ain't
but
gonna,
they probably knew how to really do magic, bro. We don't know 1,000 motherfuckers that really know how to do it.
we don't, but we gotta get put through that stress in order to trigger that and activate that.
It could be.
We gotta get put through that stress and that trauma in order to activate that.
Yeah.
Niggas are scared.
Yeah,
They scared of death.
definitely.
I just don't know. See,
They
bro
said
said
that-
100. He said he
Bro,
need
y'all
100
some
people.
crazy shit.
You say you want
Yeah,
1,000. I say I
about
need
last
at
night.
least 10.
Because
You know
look,
how a
think
lot of
of
people-
two of us in
A lot of
5
people
minutes.
do
We eating
shrooms
that.
during the day.
So
Or
that's
when
what I'm
they
saying.
do them at
1,000
night, they
niggas
gotta
like
have
this,
all
bro.
the lights on,
Crazy.
keep all the
That's
lights
Yeah,
on.
powerful.
but numbers are different when it
Some
comes
mushrooms
to.
right
Bro,
now.
It's
if
different
you
when
can do
it's
shrooms to sit
five
in the
people
dark,
on
bro,
one
that's some
person.
crazy shit, ain't it?
Shit, yeah, cause you don't see shit.
That's
You don't see
different.
shit.
Like,
I
that's
did that
some
shit
crazy
before.
shit.
I was like, but really it was straight. I went to sleep.
It's not the same
Like,
vibe
that's
no
what I'm
more.
saying.
But we
Like, bro, I
understand.
did the same thing last
I
night.
feel it,
Bruh.
but now if we had 10,000 versus them
The
50,000,
thoughts
that
is-
look like.
That'll work.
Well, I said,
Guaranteed
hey, bro, trust me.
almost.
So I just need to hold my horses.
I'm already knowing.
I feel like that
I'm
5
already
and
knowing.
10.
I'm already knowing.
Niggas don't even understand.
Because I'm on it right
Till
now.
then,
What's
bro,
up?
I'm
I'm
on
on
the
it right
fence
now.
with
I am too, though.
What's up?
You know
Bet,
bro?
okay, bet.
But
We
yeah.
right here.
Tell me what I'm
Like
wrong,
that,
man.
bro.
Shit, we already know.
Bro, folks. Folks, you got
That whole segment is trash.
You gotta try this shit, bro. One day take some shrooms and just sit in the dark. It's gonna scare you at first, bro.
Oh, man.
It's
You
gonna
did
scare you. Yeah, I did it last night.
Explain it.
Like, bro, like, to
Damn,
be
bro.
real, like, it's gonna fuck you up at first because you really gonna be goddamn. Once you start seeing shit, you gonna see all type of little shadows and all type of shit.
Colors and shit.
You gonna hear everything. Like every little sound that's in the house, you gonna hear that motherfucker. Like I was in my bed, I heard the dog move, nigga.
You know what I want to ask?
It was I heard the dog.
What?
The dog
What?
in another room, closed.
I gotta
in the
ask this
room.
now. I
We
want to
tapped
ask this
in.
now, bro. And I gotta ask this. What the fuck is the shroom epidemic now? 5, 10 years ago,
Bro,
5, 6, 7 years. Hold on, let
Man,
me say this. Let me
bro,
quick.
let me go. Let me go ahead. Let me go ahead. This is the topic. This is the topic. We were just talking about this shit.
Let me finish
The shroom
first.
epidemic
Y'all not
is
letting me
the
finish
same.
first.
Okay,
Y'all not
bet.
let me
All right,
finish
go
first.
ahead.
What is the shroom epidemic going on? Let me finish, bro. What is the shroom epidemic going on now, bro? Go back 5, 7 years ago, bro. All of us was not all of us, cause we wasn't kicking it like that. But most of us that was around me and kicking it around, we was like, man, hell nah, I never tried, I never do that. And now we here, and most of us like, nigga, hell yeah, this shit hit. So what is it?
It was
Shit,
from
nah,
just
bro.
the
One at a time, one at a time, one at a time, one at a
Nah,
time.
bro.
One at a time.
I'm just gonna put it like this, bro. You gotta think about the type of niggas we is. I'm just gonna speak for us. Us, honestly, we start doing shit after we do our research on it. We find out certain shit about it and find out that it's not as bad as motherfuckers make it seem.
Yeah,
You just can't overdo the shit.
I'm telling you, the motherfucker, they be thinking,
That's the
oh, you about to just be tripping out like a motherfucker. Nah, bro, this shit actually, like, for
Yeah,
mental
bro.
health, my nigga. This
It's not
shit,
really good
Exactly.
for
like,
you.
it cleans your brain for real. So it's just like, but if you overuse it, so just like any other drug, like legal drug. Well, so I can't say legal drug. Some drugs fuck you up, but a drug is meant to goddamn, help you and shit like that.
You just can't abuse it.
But if you abuse it, it's gonna fuck you up.
Facts.
Same thing with shrooms. Now, when I started doing shrooms, motherfuckers was still on that shit like, hey, bro, you on that shit? I'm like, bro, what the fuck is wrong with it? Nigga, I ain't popping perks, you know what I'm saying? But no, not to motherfuckers that do. But nigga, I ain't sipping lean, I ain't doing none of that shit. I ain't killing my kidneys. Something clear my damn brain for real.
Yeah.
Now, I done seen motherfuckers trip the fuck
So,
out. But,
y'all, the simple answer y'all just gave me is the epidemic now is
it's commercialized, bro.
the epidemic now from which y'all told me is research. That's what the shroom epidemic now is.
That's what it was for me.
I can.
Or more.
Now me,
Cause we, like, you gotta think about it, bro. We did shrooms and shit together.
Yeah.
I was some, like, research shit. We found.
Well, I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna
think-
put it
I
on. I'm
think-
putting it on record to say the first time I did it was with my wife. The day before I tried it with you. That's why I wasn't scared to try it with
But
you.
you already did your
That- yeah,
research.
remember,
on it.
yeah.
You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
so I had to
But
hear
yeah,
about it.
so that's a simple
I had to
answer
hear
though, I
about
guess.
it.
It's a fact, though.
So I just had to hear about it and just
See,
hear
for
about
me-
it for so long. I was like, okay, let me go and try this shit.
See, hearing about it for so long, I had to say, let me research it.
I think it was more of people saying, bro, I'm tripping out on this, I'm seeing shit, and that's what people was thinking if I take this drug.
Yeah.
Rather than, this is clear in my head, and I'm seeing things clearer, and I'm actually seeing reality instead of what they want me to
What's
see.
up?
They
That's
can
what I
see.
was. That's what I was.
And
scared to
that's
try.
where people start understanding, like, okay, I need to try this.
See, it's commercialized wrong. It's motherfucker, everybody doing shrooms. Not everybody is doing it. I'm like, fuck shrooms. What y'all doing shrooms? But now it's
Yeah.
popular. That's what it's
Yeah,
like.
that's what I'm saying.
So just-
You totally right. All y'all totally right. But I feel like it's more like, you remember how dreadlocks was outlawed Like you couldn't even get
Yeah,
a
you-
job with dreadlocks.
Yeah, you had to
It's
cut
a
your hair.
transition, and once niggas start getting dreadlocks and they start getting acceptable, more spirituality got acceptable. These spirituality and mushrooms link hand in hand.
And then I'm gonna say this too though. A lot of people is trying to go back to more natural drugs.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Holistic.
Yes, sir.
Cause
So you think?
to be real, bro, I was just saying something earlier, bro. I just said this earlier, Chuck. Then I just said this. Damn, my fault.
We'll cut it.
We'll cut that. We'll cut that. We'll cut that.
But bro, I swear to God, I was just saying earlier. I was like, I'm finna stop taking beans.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good thing.
That shit hit me like 3 years ago, bro. 2019.
I was saying
4 years ago.
Cause bro,
I said, but I can't no more. I can't no more. Had to
bro,
stop.
me and Rollo was at work talking about this shit for like 2 weeks.
That's what it's meant for, microdosing. Like, you supposed to microdose it. You gonna feel bubbly. So you might well talk about that acid, goddamn.
Oh, bro, my
Acid, we
fucking
on
God,
psychedelics,
bro.
We on psychedelics, bro.
Acid will never go in my system again, bro.
You had a bad trip.
So,
We did.
first time I did acid, I'm with bruh.
It was actually too good to do again. Basically, I ain't gonna lie to you.
That's it, bro.
This is too good to
It was
do
too
it.
good to do
I'm
again,
talking about,
bro.
bro. I would
Bro,
get,
I swear
bro.
to God,
I'm talking about, I'm getting so high when
in the perk.
Bro,
Yes,
fuck
yes,
a perk,
yes.
bro. You
Fuck a perk,
man,
bro.
Fuck
Fuck
a
a perk.
perk, nigga.
Fuck a perk.
I got a sack. Spin cash, get a bag.
I don't know what it is about
I got a sack, big bags on the back. Spin cash, get a bag. Sit in the trap, sign a deal for no packs. I ain't signed up for no rights. Bitch, I need M's. I ain't taking one of them. What you think I'm one of them? All I do is win. Took a loss with a friend, he really didn't hold his end. No more again. Now I'm a car, big bags in the car.